We dey give them bangolo. Anytime when we come, we give them. And then you don't see strange things at night or what?
Chicken is not a wish.
Bird of the air doesn't take a flight at night because a plane will fly and bird can't fly. But a winch of the air can fly at night. Bird ain't fly at night. At night, chicken don't fly. That's it, chicken not they fly for night.
Chicken does not fly at night.
Chicken can soar high at night.
A chicken cannot take flight at night.
Chicken does not fly at night.
If you see somebody on your right and he looks at you, you're thinking, what the hell are you looking at? And you see someone else on your left looking at you, you're wondering, what the hell is he looking like? They don't fly at night, bruv. They don't fly.
It's the AY Show.